Hi everybody, welcome back to Thorn and Thistle Farm. Just sitting on the porch and I looked up and noticed that the clouds were starting to penetrate the stratosphere. So those are supercells. So if you live anywhere near the southern Missouri, Illinois border, heading, looks like towards Indiana, get someplace safe. And our hearts go out to the people that got hit today in St. Louis and in other areas. I know we had a lot of hail, but unbelievable. That's going to cause some serious damage.